I will request Sri Sudhir Mahajan, Secretary Department of Urban Development, Government of Goa, to share his vision on how to make Goa cities smarter, smart cities. And we thank Sudhir Mahajan, sir, for making this conference happen.
Good evening, everybody. Honorable Minister of State for Finance and Planning, Government of Maharashtra, Honorable MLAs, respected Chief Secretary, Government of Karnataka, distinguished guests on and off the days, friends, my colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. It's my privilege to invite you all on this national meet on Smart City, and I also extend warm welcome to the beautiful state of Goa. As we all know that today, IT and automation enablements are expanding the potential infrastructure worldwide. Comprehensive infrastructure solutions are helping to create cities that are more sustainable, resilient, and accessible. Welcome to the world of Smart City. Integrated systems and mobility solutions that help people on the move in the metro is what a smart city built up is all about. We all are gathered here to discuss what best we can offer and how we can strategize to further strengthen the smart city concept. As you all know, smart city is an urban region that is highly advanced in terms of overall infrastructure and market viability. So to rationally increment its growth, we have to envisage a different platform altogether. Currently, 31% of India's population live in the cities, and they contribute 63% of the economic activities. And this number is rapidly growing. Smart city will focus on most pressing needs and on the latest opportunities to improve the quality of life for the residents of today and in the future. It's a bold new initiative by the Government of India to drive economic growth and also enable local development by harnessing technology as a means to create smart outcomes for the citizens. Developing smart vision and solutions requires leveraging by all the available assets. It could be creativity of the citizens, expert by the professionals, and know-how of the business. Smart city is synonym of embracing emerging technologies for better lives. The aim is to promote and strengthen governance and improve results for urban residents world over. Many countries have adopted it. In our neighborhood, Bangkok has made a start with its neighborhood improving through citizen-led planning. Barcelona by providing solar energy to increase sustainability. These are few to name in the same path. We need sustainable financing model and proposal to improve the lives of the residents. The 100 Smart City Mission intends to offer smart solutions. It could be assured water and electricity supply, solid waste management, efficient urban mobility, sturdy public transport system connected to the robust IT, and citizen participation along with being imbued with safety and security of the citizens. These are the smart cities tenets. Public information, grievance redressal system, efficient energy, green building along with smart parking, all would form the utopia of the smart city. Panaji is declared to be part of this venture. The city of Panaji through this initiative will transform into world-class city, achieving a better quality of life in an environment, sustaining economic growth and citizen participation while retaining its heritage and cultural diversity. It's the first city in India to be built on plant grid system and the only city to be user-friendly. It is also the only city that boasts of architectural styles ranging from Goan domestic to Indo-European. Being therefore unique as a city, it's a right choice for the smart city, as the spirit of the community and belonging is evident in the citizen participation in the process of development of several plans and assessments conducted in Panaji to ensure sustainable development. The City Development Program 2015, the Master Plan for Holistic Development 2013, the City Sanitation Plan 2013, Solar City Master Plan, 24/7 water supply, comprehensive mobility plan, all providing sound foundation towards planning and improving urban infrastructure, and serves to make Panaji more livable and can offer good quality of life to its citizens. Through participation in the Smart City endeavor, it will fast track to being a world-class city while retaining its heritage and cultural values. The goals are many, from cultural tourism to transfer Panaji into a biodiverse city and redesigning it as an inclusive eco-mobile city along with enhancing resource efficiency to attain landfill-free city. The dreams have just been initiated and the focus is on creating a model which will act as a lighthouse to other aspiring cities and heralds a new world of smart city in Panaji. This is an excellent opportunity for the city and it's extremely gracious for all of you to be here to celebrate this momentous occasion as well as create a forum for understanding best practices from each other. Wishing everyone all the best. Again, I welcome everyone to Goa to this event and hope for a lively discussion in the next 2 days.